Have you ever wondered why self-love seems to be on everyone's lips these days? What about this notion captivates our minds and tugs at our hearts? In a world of responsibilities and distractions, where self-criticism often takes the lead, self-love emerges as a beacon of hope, guiding us toward a profound understanding of our worth. In this video, we'll explore 8 important aspects of self-love and how they contribute to personal growth and self-improvement. Let's get started. 1. Self-compassion. Imagine a friend confiding in you about their mistakes and shortcomings. Would you criticize them with harsh judgments and criticism, or would you offer a compassionate ear and comforting words? Self-love begins with treating yourself as you would a cherished friend. Cultivating self-compassion means acknowledging your imperfections and extending a hand of understanding and kindness instead of self-criticism. It's recognizing that making mistakes is a part of being human, and these missteps do not define your self-worth. When you learn to be gentle with yourself, you open the door to a deeper, more profound love for the person you are becoming. Authenticity. In a world that often encourages conformity, embracing your authenticity is a powerful act of self-love. It's about shedding the masks you wear to fit in and daring to be your true self. Authenticity is only sometimes comfortable. It may entail confronting your fears and vulnerabilities. Yet, in this vulnerability, you discover the strength and beauty of your unique self. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your passions, and stand proudly in your truth. Remember, the most magnetic version of yourself is the genuine one. 3. Self-care. Picture yourself as a well-worn book. Over time, the pages may become frayed, the cover fades, and the words blur. Just like a beloved book, you deserve tender care and maintenance. Self-love is synonymous with self-care. It means prioritizing your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Nourish your body with nutritious food, give your mind tranquility, and indulge in activities that bring you joy. When you make self-care a non-negotiable part of your life, you replenish your energy, ensuring you can give more to others from a place of abundance. 4. Boundaries. Imagine a garden without fences. It would soon be overrun by intruders, unable to flourish. Similarly, setting and maintaining boundaries is an essential act of self-love. It's about safeguarding your emotional and mental space, protecting your time and energy, and saying no when necessary. Boundaries are not walls isolating you but hedges defining your territory. They enable you to honor your needs, maintain healthy relationships, and create the space for your personal growth. Remember, setting boundaries is not rejecting others but a declaration of your self-worth. 5. Gratitude. Have you ever paused to count the stars in your life, appreciating the brilliance they bring? Gratitude is a powerful facet of self-love. It's about recognizing the big and small blessings that surround you. When you cultivate gratitude, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This shift in perspective fosters self-love and amplifies your capacity to spread love to others. Gratitude acts as a radiant mirror, reflecting the richness of your existence. 6. Forgiveness. Picture a backpack heavy with the stones of past grievances. Carrying this weight can be exhausting, both mentally and emotionally. Self-love is about unburdening yourself from this load through forgiveness. It's not about excusing harmful actions but releasing yourself from the chains of resentment. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself, a liberation from the past that allows you to step into the present with grace and lightness. As you forgive yourself and others, you allow healing and self-acceptance to flourish. 7. Self-expression. Imagine an artist without a canvas or a musician without an instrument. Just as creativity needs an outlet, so does your inner self. Self-love includes expressing your thoughts, feelings, and desires authentically. It's about finding your unique voice and allowing it to resonate globally. When you express yourself genuinely, you honor your essence and inspire others to do the same. Remember, your story, ideas, and perspective are valuable contributions to the tapestry of human experience. 8. Personal growth. Think of a tree that ceaselessly reaches for the sky, stretching its branches higher daily. Self-love is a commitment to personal growth, acknowledging that you are a work in progress, constantly evolving and learning. It's about setting goals, embracing challenges, and seeking new experiences that expand your horizons. When you invest in your growth, you nurture a deep love for the potential within you. The journey of self-love is not stagnant. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving process of becoming the best version of yourself. Each of these 8 facets forms an integral part of the intricate mosaic of self-love. We invite you to dive into our channel for insightful content to continue this enriching journey towards self-love and personal transformation.